Hi, I'm Sara. I am currently a hardware verification intern here at Codasip. I am currently doing my master's degree here in Brno, in Brno University of Technology, Faculty of Information Technology, and I'm studying software verification and testing. I would simply put it as welcoming and friendly, and I don't mean it in like a corporate HR jargon way. Coming from academic background, the environment here feels kind of similar. Like I'm working with peers, and as a very shy person, actually, like few weeks in, I'm no longer scared of bothering someone by asking for help or asking some questions. So it's definitely not your typical corporate experience in a positive way. I would definitely want to mention Andrzej, our team manager, for not only technical but also really valuable career insights, and Nikos, my mentor, for like helping with everyday tasks all the time, and also knowledge sharing about basically whatever subject I might be interested in. Definitely, even though like yeah, it's work. Um, Getting used to the team flows and the technologies used was a bit challenging, but actually it wasn't as bad as I was afraid. It didn't take as much time. But apart from that, it's just great experience, and basically was and is everything I could have hoped for from an internship. I got hands-on experience on real projects, and not only like do do this work and it will never be used. So it's just some tasks to get you occupied, and not only from the tasks themselves, but I've learned really a lot about processor verification in general. So much that actually I will be skipping now a voluntary course I had uh, in I, in uni, and also the people are great, and uh, I got really valuable career insights from more experienced people, and also creating new connections is always a plus. I would say if you are considering, definitely go for it, because probably you are in a similar position like me. If you are considering, it means you are interested but scared to actually apply. And either you find out this is really your thing, which is what happened to me, and that's great. But even if this doesn't happen and you find out that yeah, my fears were there for a reason, great. Now you know like what you don't want to do in the future, and if you never try out, you will never progress. So uh, definitely recommend trying it. And if you like this content, there are more videos coming.